Hello fans, I greet you all according to your time. Welcome back again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, your friend. If you're just seeing my channel for your first time, thank you for tuning in. I appreciate you. For my returning subscribe, thank you so much for always be there for me, for always watching my video, sharing my video, and then may the God in heaven bless you all in Jesus' name. In today's video, guys, I want to show you guys how I make my Nigeria buns. So as you can see, guys, this is how beautiful it is. It's very beautiful. So if you want to see how I make it, sit down, take a glass of water, and let's get started. You can see, guys, this is my ingredient. This is my flour, half kilo of flour, my latte, which is milk, my water milk, sugar and salt. This is my egg, my butter, and my breaky powder. So I will first turn the salt, and I add my sugar. I use 3 spoons of sugar. Stand me, 3 spoons. You can even add more, or how am I going to say it? More or little. So I will turn the sugar and salt together. Sorry guys, if you hear noise, it's my children. You know I'm a mother. So I will mix them together. So now I will add my breaking powder. This breaking powder, I will use half of it. So I will not use all, because it's just a little buns that I want to do. So I say, let me show you guys how I break my my Nigeria buns. So I will turn everything together. After turning together, I will add my butter. I'll put my butter. So I add my egg. So this egg, I use 2 pieces of egg, or two pieces. It's 2 that I use. So I will mix them with my hand. It's with my hand. So it's very easy. The way I do mine is very easy and very simple. Don't even take too much time. Now I will add my water milk, which is fresh water milk or fresh milk or latte. You guys should take anyone, but it's milk. Sorry guys, I'm a mother, like as I said before. If you hear noise, it's God sent. So I'll mix everything together. And make sure, after that I will take them to table and massage it very well so that it can smooth or what. So I'll massage it. You guys see it. Massage it, and I will add. I noticed, guys, that it's too strong. That's the reason why I had I just need to. So I want to put it again. So make sure I massage it here very well, like smooth. They are ready on it. You can see, guys. So I just need it to soft. That's the reason why I'm like this. You guys know now. If it's soft, this is how it is. So I've done it. See, and I will cover it with tissue paper with like 20 to 15 minutes. Oh God. I already cover it, so I will put it in a place that it can do. So I'll bring it out. See it? See the way it is? It's time to fry it. It's time to fry it now, guys. As you can see, guys, my oil. So I just put a little one so that I can see whether the oil is already hot. See, it's hot. See, guys, it's very easy. It's very easy. It's very easy. This is buns, it's not egg roll, but I use two pieces of egg roll as egg roll, but I just do it as buns. My brother-in-law say he need egg roll. That's the reason why I put just two egg roll. Because for me, I don't even like this thing. I do it because of my kids. You guys know that children love those cheese, anything cheese. So do you guys see the brown items? I allowed it to brown. So this is the second time. That's it. So this is the egg roll, the two. This is the egg roll. This is the egg roll also. As you can see, buns is ready. It's very simple and easy. So you don't even take time. Don't even waste time. Take time. See it. I will allow this to brown very well before I will bring it out, because I love my buns to brown very well. So you guys just see the way I do mine. Just try to do yours like that. See, it's already brown. You see it? It's ready. So guys, thank you for being here with me. Thank you for making us to do it, make it together. Please, if you are a new person in my channel, you are not yet subscribed, please do me a favor, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn the notification bell for me, so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be notified. Please drop a comment, thumbs up for me, how you see it, how you see this delicious and yummy buns. For my returning subscriber, I appreciate you guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye.